Okay, hello everybody. I've been working in the new sketchbook and it's been kind of fun. I thought I would do something with acrylic paint to do the background, and then I'll go in with my paint markers. My initial idea was to either just go all purple, and this is kind of a cranberry wine color, or do maybe like a low horizon or something, or mix them. I don't know. I've got other colors. I've got plenty of craft paints. I use them for miniatures, and I haven't painted miniatures in a while. And I thought this would be a lot easier to do than to just marker up the entire, the entire page. Oh, I know where it is. So I have some water, some agua. And I like this bright color.